Right, welcome back. It's a lovely day in the UK, so I had to go for a test ride on this new purchase of mine. I've always wanted one, so it's a bit of a dream bike really. But I have witnessed the absolute power of it. The torque, the grunt. But anyway, let's pull this sheet off. It's a long sheet. RM250 2-stroke. I've heard so much about this thing. It's I think about 46 horsepower and roughly 100 kilos. It's not bad. I don't know what to expect yet. I'm just warming it up, cruising to the main straights. In 2006 they were the best 2-stroke 250, so the YZ hasn't been updated since 2005 or 2004, so this obviously is going to be more powerful, and oh my god. I'd been looking for a 250 2-stroke for probably 7 or 8 months now. It's got this Gold Series FMF gnarly exhaust. Oh, yeah, it's got 2 wheels, a chain, petrol tank, seat, green handlebars. What more do you want to know? It's got some sort of exhaust protector, some Go Fast stickers. I'm just going to play a few of the runs I did. I just did a quick test run up along the straight because obviously I didn't want to do too much. I was on my own, but yeah, have a little sit back and watch this thing rip. You can't really see much, but in second, third, and maybe fourth, the back end's snaking. But it's the evil power. The power delivery of it is amazing. I've got a 454 stroke and that is as smooth as a baby's butt, but this is just vicious. I love it. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Yeah, this is a bike I've always wanted to try. A 250, I've only been on one. Let's try it from a standing start there. Barely touch the floor. Oh my god, that torque, once it hits that certain point. Breathe, breathe. Definitely got some power. Look at this acceleration and look what it did. Oh my god, would you believe it? Look at that. It's pulled my sleeves up. It's completely different to my 450. Whoa. Doesn't it soak up the buttons? Smell the 2-stroke. Lovely. Jay should make aftershave out of that, makes the chicks go wild. They dig petrol. Have they tried 2-stroke? Dragon's dead. Following on from that, Mr. Valentino Gabbana, whoever you are, bottle that stuff, drives them wild. Doesn't it, Rocco? It starts really well. I was well chuffed. It'd been sat up for a week or two and it just kicked straight over. Put the taco on, so I've done nearly half an hour on it. No oil leaks, nothing on the floor. I'm well impressed with it. I can't wait to get it out with the boys. It's no Minter by far, but it has got what I think the engine sounds pretty good. So that's the main thing. I just wanted a mechanically sound bike. I'm not too bothered about cosmetics. Oh yeah, something a bit different. I saw the Happy Farmer. Usually it's Angry Farmer, but Happy Farmer. I thought he was trying to cut me off. He's trying to corner me. Probably going to wrap the video up here then, keep it short and sweet. Bit of a walk around and a test ride. But there'll be a lot more to come from this bike, that's for sure. As long as it keeps going. Doesn't blow up. But it should be alright with the work we get it. It's not like being thrashed gutless on a motocross track. It's just doing woodwork and a few trails, a bit of hacking, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you soon. Remember, keep it twisted. Moto Machines out.